para llevar, para llevar. This is an easy term. It's not complicated, so you don't have to conjugate anything. This term stays as it is, when you use it in Spanish, and it's a common term for sure. And this term means to go, or you're referring to takeout. Okay, so if you like to go to eat out, or if you like to order takeout, this is a very common term for that in Spanish. And I'll show you a few examples using this term. Oh, this is a very common question. ¿Para aquí o para llevar? ¿Para aquí o para llevar? So if you go to a restaurant, they might ask you this, especially if it's a fast food kind of place. They will ask you this, ¿para aquí o para llevar? And this means for here or to go. For here or to go. So if you want to answer this question, you just have to say para aquí or para llevar, por favor. Okay, don't forget that magic phrase, por favor. That's a good thing to say in Spanish and in every language, in English, please, and in other languages, obviously, the way they say please. Okay, para aquí once again refers for here. Okay, so it's a literal translation of for here. Aquí means here. Para means for. O means or. Para llevar, to go. Okay, so this has a completely different meaning. Bring, take, to bring, to take. That's the common meanings of this verb. But if you say this whole term, para llevar means to go. Para can also sometimes mean to, okay? Para, for as well. So para is, I think it depends what you want to say, but para can mean for or, to. Yeah. Okay, now let's look at the other example. This one is very, very easy. There's no complications here. It's a very straightforward question. Okay, so I would like in a future lesson to talk about para, just para, because para can be used in some other situations. But yeah, it's interesting. Okay, the next example, guys. The next example of this verb, using this not verb but term, is pidamos comida para llevar. Pidamos comida para llevar. Okay, if you're feeling like eating at home but you don't want to cook, you can say this in Spanish, and it means let's just order takeout. Okay, so this is very, very interesting right here. Pidamos comes from the verb pedir. Pedir can mean a lot of things, and when talking about food, it means to order. Okay, pedir, to order. So pidamos means let's order, but in English it's common to say let's just order. Okay, so technically you are saying something similar in Spanish. Pidamos, let's order, or let's just order. Comida means food, but you don't have it here because you have the term takeout. Okay, but if you say comida para llevar, the whole thing means takeout. Okay, pidamos comida para llevar. Let's just order takeout. Let's just order takeout. That's what this sentence means. And remember, para llevar means, to go, as in you're taking food to go, or when you're ordering takeout. Okay, Comida para llevar, takeout. Para llevar, to go. Okay? So, very interesting. Very interesting.